The Christ as Teacher by Benjamin Krem's Master. A Master Speaks, Volume 2, page 95. Many people await and expect the emergence of the Christ, but hold a very distorted view of how that will affect humanity. Many await him as a spiritual magician who will cancel out their and others' shortcomings and so establish everlasting peace. Theirs is a very passive view of this vast and complex happening. For Maitreya himself, it is an opportunity to come into a dynamic interaction with humanity, to establish the principle of the divine plan, and to inaugurate the era of right human relationship. This entails the active response and participation of men and women everywhere, a worldwide continuous process of change in outer structures and inner perceptions. Maitreya does not see as particularly open and fruitful those areas of the world where Christians are in the majority, nor do other religions inspire in him more hope of understanding. To be sure, in all religions are men and women who are ready to respond and to act for the benefit of all. Likewise, in every walk of life, in every country in the world, people await the signal that will summon them to action on behalf of their brothers and sisters, known and unknown. Many await the Christ as the judge, sent to chasten and punish the lawbreakers. Maitreya the Christ is a teacher and will indeed teach man the laws of life, but a judge he never was, nor does punishment hold a place in his vocabulary. He will seek to inspire men to know themselves as souls in incarnation, traveling a journey of self-discovery together and helping each other along the way. He will affirm that competition hinders and deflects men from their path, rendering sterile each glimpse of the soul's nature. Men have strayed far from that path. Commercialization has humanity by the throat and is squeezing every generous thought and gesture out of their lives. The souls of men can endure little more of this oppression and are crying aloud in their agony and frustration. They wonder then at the upsurge of crime and mayhem committed by the young in every land. Maitreya will acquaint men with the origin of wars and military action around the world. He will show how even the climate and weather are disaffected as a result. Men have much to learn about the effects of their actions and the needs for discipline and care. The Christ comes to teach. Men, free will intact, must respond in order to grow. The Christ Maitreya never uses force, even if thus we would the sooner learn. He knows that only that which is undertaken by man's free will is lawful and likely to bear fruit.